From raw aluminum to the most advanced cockpit, the C-17 Globemaster III production line utilizes cutting-edge laser technology and precision robotics. The robotic arm lifts the freshly cut C-17 Globemaster chassis from the matrix. It is then transferred to the deburrer.
The worker manually inserts the rocker switches, ensuring tactile click feel consistency. Later,
inside the controlled thermal chamber, the aluminum components undergo precise stress relief, stabilizing the metal structure after high-intensity cutting.
the staging area holds hundreds of verified components. The robotic inventory system confirms material readiness. The light silver structural components, now stress-relieved and deburred, are moved on a dedicated pallet toward the Process A structure.
This is the initiation of Process A, the primary structural manufacturing phase. The massive automated
Specialized pneumatic clamps secure the aluminum ribs, providing crucial rigidity for the C-17 Globemaster III cockpit assembly. During Process A, the CMM precisely measures thousands of points on the C-17 chassis, ensuring tolerances within fractions of a millimeter. The C-17 Globemaster III receives its initial wiring. Specialized robotic arms route the thick power and
brackets aligned within tolerance. Gauge confirms structural integrity. Phase complete.
Fine, flexible ribbon cables are meticulously routed and secured along the internal structure of the C-17 Globemaster.
Serial number 4, Lima 6, verified. Confirmed on the digital sheet.
The surge protection held perfectly.
Confirmed. All systems nominal. Certification passed.
The sheer scale of the C-17 Globemaster III is evident here in the final assembly hangar, where precision.
Okay, keep it level. It's moving smoothly now. Clear on my side. Looks like a perfect fit.
The frequency response is nominal across the spectrum.
Confirmed. Process A and B outputs are well within tolerance. Check the alignment on this access panel before we sign off.
Looks good from here, but let's double check the torque.
Integrated systems check complete. Run the simulation.
Roger that. Engaging flight controls.
Hydraulic pressure.
Green, check.
Before landing, checklist complete.
Warning, hydraulic pressure low. Warning, hydraulic pressure low.
Checks complete. Operational control of this C-17 is now transferred to the acceptance team.
Roger that. Control accepted. We'll begin phase 2 checks.
Instrument check complete. All systems green.
Confirmed. We are ready for the engine start sequence.
Experiencing expected vibration, MFDs remain solid. System check is green. Consistent stability confirmed. Departure Globemaster III, passing 10,000, climbing flight level 200. Approaching waypoint, altitude decreasing.
Minimums 50, 40, 30.
We are experiencing heavy buffeting. Check engine parameters.
Engine instruments look stable. Negative warnings.
The pilot adjusts the weather radar range by using the rotary dial. The image instantly updates, confirming the ergonomic consistency of the system during active.
Set torque, flaps to half.
Set, flaps half. Checklist approaching.
Gear down.
3 green, 1,500 feet.
Glide slope captured. Approaching minimums. 20 knots above reference.
Shutdown checklist complete.
Roger that. Good work today.
Hydraulic systems check complete on engine 1.
Copy that. Stand by for power cycle.
Gust spread is holding steady at 15.
Looks clear just past this cell. Stand by for course adjustment.